Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to read CSV file using pandas. So first of all you have to install Anaconda. I have already created the video how to install Anaconda, and if you have simple Python you can just do pip install pandas as well. So if you install Anaconda, there will be pandas package inbuilt, so you don't have to do pip install pandas. Okay, so I have installed Anaconda and I'm using Jupyter notebook to read the file. Okay, will show you what file I want to read. So there is example file. If I'll open this csv employee.csv, you can see this is the file here. So in this file, name, gender, start date, login time, salary, bonus, senior management and team, everything is there. So I would just want to read this using Panda, and after that we will do some transformation on that. We'll do cleaning, and we will learn how to clean the file using pandas. So all those things we are going to learn, but in this video I will show you how to read CSV file using pandas. So once you have installed Anaconda, you just need to type here Jupyter. Okay, and click here. Once you click, one notepad, Jupyter notepad will be open in your browser, just like that. Okay, then you have to go to the new and create your Python kernel. Like this, if you create, new notepad will be open. I have already created all the notepad, and this I have renamed it to pandas tutorials. Okay, so you can do that. And first things you have to do, install, import pandas as pd. And for running this, just type shift and enter, it will run. And where is the file? My file is here. So just right click here and copy as path, and go to your Jupyter notebook again, and just type here df equal to pd dot read csv, and just paste it here. So if you do directly like this, it will work. Okay, if you just see pd dot head, you can see your file. Okay, this is very simple. If in some case if it is not working for you, just type here r. Okay, like it will work. This is also fine, or you can just put double slash as well if it is not working for you. But all those things is for some version it was not working, so that's why I'm saying you can use all this method if it's not working for you. But directly type the copy the path and paste it here, it will work. So this is the easiest way to read file using pandas. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned. I will We will learn together everything regarding the pandas data frame series, join, everything. Thank you very much.